Hello everyone, this is me again, and today I am going to show you another video on how to make bootable USB pen drive in easiest way. After creating bootable USB, you can fix your PC by yourself when you are facing any issue with your Windows, or you can give installation a new copy of Windows. We will create bootable media directly from Microsoft official site. So let's see how to create bootable USB pen drive easiest way. Well guys, so first we will go to Google and type Windows 10 download. So select the first one, then you can see there is option says download Windows 10 disk image ISO file Microsoft. So click on this one, the first one. So after you clicking on that, this option will come where it will say download Windows 10, and this is the Microsoft website, and I will leave the link below, but we will not click on that. We will go to this one, create Windows 10 installation media, and there is option download tool now. So you click on download tool now, and you will see download will start. And this tool is actually a small one, it's like around 18 megabytes, so it will take a couple of minutes to download. So when the download is completed, you just click on open, and a media will open. It says getting a few things ready. It means this media is getting ready to download in your USB. So you need to give a little bit time to do that, and a license or agreement will come, so you need to accept it. So or if you want, you can read it. Click on accept, and after you accepting, it will again say getting a few things ready, and then it will make all the files and everything ready, and it will give you an option says what do you want to do. There is a two option. One is says upgrade this PC now, and another one is create installation media USB flash drive or DVD or ISO file for another PC. We will select this one, but before selecting we have to insert our USB. So you need to insert your USB like this. After you inserting your USB, you make sure that you keep a backup of your USB. As you can see, the USB is empty, because when you start creating installation media, it will automatically delete your files. So as you can see, my USB is empty. So now I will start to create the installation media. So select this one, create installation media for another PC, and click next. After you click next, this option will come. It's a default setup where language, edition and architecture will be there. This is the default setup for this PC, but when you click uncheck this, you can edit it. So like for me, language I will leave English, edition Windows 10 for sure, and architecture there is three option: 32-bit, 64-bit or both. So in this case it depends which PC you have. You can select 32-bit, 64-bit, or if you don't know which one you have to, then you can select both. Better to select both, but in this case you have to have USB at least 16 megabyte, 16 GB. 32 GB is better. So for me, as I know mine is 64-bit, so I'll select 64-bit, and then I will click next. So after you clicking next, they will give you an option like USB flash drive or ISO file. So as I am making bootable USB flash drive, so I will select USB flash drive. But if you select ISO file, it will be downloaded, but later on you have to burn it to a DVD. So select USB flash drive. After you selecting USB flash drive, you click next, and then it will show you USB. So you make sure that the name or the USB you have inserted is the correct one. So as mine is the one I have put it, the same right one, so you double check with your USB. So when you see is the right one, then you need to click on next. So after you clicking next, it will again say getting a few things ready, and it will start the downloading process. Like now its progress is going on 0%, so it might take half an hour, 1 hour, or 1.5 hours. It depends. So it depending on your internet speed, download will complete. Like as I said, it might take half an hour, 1 hour, or 1.5 hours. So as you can see, my progress is started. It says downloading Windows 10, and also it says feel free to keep using your PC. So that means you can keep on the side and minimize it, and you can use your PC, you can browse. So while it downloading, I'll tell you a few things. The progress started, so it will complete until 100%. As you can see, mine is now 1%, 2%, so I will forward a little bit. Now the progress is almost 86% is doing it as I forwarded a little bit. So now 94, 96, 7, so 99% is going to complete now, and this USB flash drive is ready. Now this says that my USB flash drive is ready. That means the installation media is already created. So that means my bootable USB flash drive is already ready to use. So you click finish, and it will say setup is cleaning up before it closes. It may take few minutes. So that means we have created our bootable USB. Now let's go to my PC. Yeah, this is the USB I have put. Yeah, it uses some space. Now let's go inside. Let's see what happened inside. Yeah, so from there you can install your new Windows, or you can make it bootable. So that's how mainly you can make bootable USB pen drive.